How to fix Instagram. Help us confirm you own this account. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is reset your password to confirm your identity. This might fix your issue, so navigate to the login page, click on the option Forgotten Password. Now type in your email address or username to receive the code and reset the password. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is completely delete Instagram app and reinstall it. To do that, close this, navigate to the Instagram app, press and hold on it, select remove app, delete, then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. With these solutions, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, close this and navigate to the website Instagram Help Center. Once you're over here, in the search box, you can type in I can't log in. Here, you're gonna find this option Recover your Instagram password. Click on that. Now click on the option Recover your Instagram password. Once you reset your password, you will get access to your account. So this is how you can fix Help Us Confirm You Own This Account issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.